you already know it's time for a new video. So today, what I'm going to be doing is I need to take tonneau cover off my truck because it's swaying back and forth, and I'm going to take apart the engine of the Mazda a little bit more as well. Also, I'm introducing a new segment on my show called Shameless Plug, and that will be at the end of every video, so make sure you stick around for that. Now I'm going to go outside and get to work. It's giving me some issues on the road. It's flying off. Not flying off, but it'd be really cool if I could come up with words right now. But this piece right here is not having it, and it's causing it to sway back and forth. So until I find a new way to fasten it down, I do need to take it off. So let's get to work on this tonneau cover in 3, 2, 1. All right, so we're gonna undo these bolts, and then we're gonna rip this off, and that should be it for the truck for today. Really not much of that's left to do. Tonneau cover off. I do have to straighten out the bed over here. I'm gonna pick you guys up and show you actually making the bed of the truck stick out a little farther from the body. Right there, they're broken pretty good. Actually snapped quite a bit away from the body, so alright, so now that I have the back straightened out, I can get to work on the Mazda. So today I'm looking at trying to take apart the engine a lot more, and that's all that's on the agenda. I love it when I just blank out and can't think of like anything. So let's get to the engine bay. Alright guys, so just a little checkup. I did get out the washer fluid, took off the bumper, so now I'm going to try and get to work on getting this power steering removed. There are a couple clamps I got to pry off, a couple bolts from there. I'm just trying to flush out, get rid of all the fluids today and see where that takes us. Alright, so it turns out in order to get to those hose clamps, I have to take off this quarter panel, or at least pull it back so that I can get to the clamps and actually get the hoses off. So I guess that's what we're gonna do next now, is get this quarter panel off and see what we can get to.
Jack it up.
so this is what happened to the bolt. That's how rusted they all are. It just snapped right off. So, it was a pain to get out of the socket.
Jack it up.
Alright guys, so after a lot of yanking, pulling, and prying, I got the quarter panel off. I can finally get to these hoses, these hose clamps right here, so that I can drain the rest of the fluid. So that's what we're going to get into next. Yeah. Alright guys, and just like that, got the power steering out. In the process, I was able to take off the quarter panel. I got that plastic liner out, fender liner I should say, and I got the bumper off today, and the washer fluid. So obviously I'll be doing more work on it tomorrow. Today is Thanksgiving here in the States. I know I have a few Canadian viewers, but I got to go in and get ready for that. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and thank you for sticking with it for this long. What's up guys, it's the next day, getting ready to work on the Mazda. Today we're going to look at taking apart the engine more. Hopefully I can start getting some of the actual valves off. Trying to get to the engine block today, get rid of all the electrical, try and sort out this mess of a car that I have in my backyard. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to try and get this fuse box out so I can sort out the rest of the electrical so I don't have any more wires in my way when I'm working on the rest of the car. Obviously it's a mess of wires, but it is out. Alright guys, so the last thing that we're going to do for today is get this alternator out. I already started working on it. The biggest thing is I got to try and get this timing belt off. Once that's off, I should be able to get to the rest of the bolts on the alternator and get it out. Alright, now the alternator's out, I should be done for today, so I'm going to take you guys inside and wrap up this video. Why does my flash keep coming on? I have it, it's supposed to be turned off. Alright guys, so today, just a little recap on the video. I got tonneau cover off my truck, like I said I was going to. I was also able to get the bumper, most of the electrical wires, and the alternator out of the Mazda, and the quarter panel as well. Doesn't really seem like a lot. I was out there for a long time though. It's getting difficult to troubleshoot. You know, I'm getting deeper into the build, so it's gonna be more tedious work and less, you know, just simple, oh, a couple bolts here, a couple nuts here. Yeah, nah, it's not like that anymore. So now I'm gonna head into shameless plug. Alright guys, so I know what you're thinking. What's a shameless plug? And to that, I'm going to say it's going to be a recurring segment in my videos where, you know, a sponsor, maybe a helpful hand, or maybe just tools that get the job done, they're going to be shouted out. So today's shameless plug is going to be Kenzu Streetwear. Now, they got some really cool threads. This one I really like, obviously, because it's the one I picked out. So I'm going to throw their Instagram up here. And it's a very, very nice jacket. I'll show you guys in a sec. Alright, so this jacket is called their Triple Yeezy. It's really nice, it's lightweight, it's good quality, just like everything else you'll find in their online store. I'm going to put a link to that in my description below. Thank you again to Kenzu Streetwear for sponsoring this video. Alright, now that you saw that, let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like it? Do you not like it? You know, maybe I'll include it in every single video. It's what I was thinking, but if you guys have other plans, I have other plans. So thank you guys so much for watching. And again, thank you to Kenzu Streetwear for making this video possible, because it's something I really enjoy doing. So make sure to comment, like, subscribe. You know the deal, and I'll see you in the next video.